I say, but brother and my sister, I want to know, say, God is able. God is able. God still in the healing vessel, in the gone away. Him still a heal. And him say before one of them word pass, him say heaven and earth shall pass away. Yeah, him had the healing vessel. I tell her, say, last week or week before last week, my friend called me. And she called me and she give me a news. I cry. But they work at me, I cry. But they work at me, I cry. She destroy me there. Because she just have a baby at 7 months. And she have a little son at 10. And the news that she tell me, I cry. I cry. But they work, I cry, I come home, I cry, I couldn't sleep like it torture me. And I say to her, say, only encouragement I feel when me a ball. I say to her, say, Lazarus dead for 4 days. And Mary and Martha said to God, if it was here, my brother who die. I turned to her, I said to her, say, my sister, your situation look like it stink. Your situation look like say sata. Your situation look like say it's no help for you, but I say your situation late, but God has show up on the right time. And she did it, and she out of it, and me a ball with her, and me a ball, and she a ball. And she looked at me and said to me, come here, I left me put there with my best friend when I'm dead. I said, you're not dead. I said to her, I say, you shall not dead. You shall live and declare the work of the Lord. But you tell me, so my ball harder. My ball. She said to me, sister, them tell me, say, half in my intestine full of pear cancer. Jesus. She said to me, say, them give me 3 months to live. She told about Sata. But if me do the surgery, me gonna live for 5 years. She told about Saya. Me said to her, so my sister, you believe in a God. Me say, lift your faith and pray. Ribo, so told about Saya. Me said to her, say, come to church with me. She said, no, she not come. Me said to her, say, me know her, my sister, me know her. Me said to her, say, pray. Me said, pray. Me said to her, say, pray. A while ago, me and her on the phone. My road partner and me and her on the phone. She has the doctor, the enemy says she has stage 3 cancer. The enemy. Rebo, Sotorabo, Saya. Me a send out a voice meter to my sister, my brother, and care for make most of God is able. When the enemy say yes, God said no. When God lock the door, no demons in the pit of hell. She can't open that the door. Then me a send out this to make her know say God is able and God heal. God still in the healing vessel. Me and the phone a while ago. And we are talk about God. I mean, I encourage her. She tell me that she got to one church. And when she got to church, so the man tell her some things. The man said to her, say, you know, the prophet said to her, say, you don't have no cancer, no nothing, no wrong with you. Or just the plan of the enemy. And she said the pastor give her a buckle of water till I carry it home and drink it for 7 days. And me and my sister on the phone. My sister in Christ on the phone a while ago. I mean, I talk about God, I mean, I said to us, angel, God, I got help, God, I got deliver you. I said to us, angel, God, I got make you stand up on top of your grave. I said to us, angel, God, I got make you minister to people, tell them, say, God, heal you from this for the enemy, I try to plant by you. And she said to me, say, my sister, hold on, them feel something that come down upon me. And I said to us, run in the bathroom, Shetorobo, Sataribo, Sotorobo, Saya. I said to us, run in the bathroom, Shetorobo, Sata. And I start to say, thank you, Jesus, Shetorobo, Sata. I start to give God thanks for your Shetorobo, Sata. I start to say, Ribo, Sata, Shetorobo, Saya. I start to give God thanks, Shetorobo, Saya. I start to Ribo, Sata, Shetorobo, Saya. Ribo, Suturabo, Saya, Shetorabo, Sata. She said, my sister, she started to scream. I said to her, I said, give God thanks, Shetorabo, Sata. I said to her, I said, hold your stomach, Shetorabo, Sata. I said to us, my sister, come on, everything to dry up and die by fire. Rebo Sata, Shotobo Sata. She said, my sister, if you ever see me come out, Tommy, Shibobo, Shotobo Sata. She said, my sister, if you see me come through me, Shotobo Sata, Shotobo Sata. She said, my sister, I got a bathroom for 5 days, how much days I got a bathroom for weeks, Rebo Sata. But God, but Jesus Christ of Nazareth, Shetorobo Sata, Rebo Sata, Shetorobo Saya, Rebo Sata. But God, heal, she get her healing. I said to her, my sister, when I go back to the doctor, you have no, Rebo Sotorobo Saya. My sister, you have no, God heal you. I said to us, my sister, when I go back for the report, go on the highway, the byway, the edges, go to 4 corners, go tell them that God is able. Roll up in the church them and tell them that God is able. Roll up in the church them and tell them your testimony. Roll up in the Rebo Sata Sheto Dorobo Saya and tell them that the Messiah Shetorobo Sata Rebo Sata. Tell them that the Messiah, the I am that I am. Tell them that the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah heal you. Rebo Sata. My brother, my sister, stand fast in the liberty. Stand God, stand up on God. All of the ground is sinking, son. And we're going to stand up on top of our grave. When the enemy wants to go under, we're going to stand up on top of our grave. Because we serve a written God. We serve a God not sleep and him not slumber. We serve a God that said let there be day and it was day. We serve a God that said let there be night and it was night. We serve a God that walked on the blind eye. Shirobo Sata. We serve a God that said Lazarus rise from the grave. We serve a God that healed the woman with the issue of blood. We serve a God, oh God, that made the man get Gethsemane. Him say, pick up your Rebo Sata, Shetorobo Sata and walk. My sister, my brother, hold on pan Rebo Sata. Hold on pan the Rebo Sotorobo Saya. Hold on pan the I am Shitorobo Sata. Hold on pan the Rebo Sata Shitorobo Saya. Hold on pan the I am that I am. Hold on pan the conquering lion of the tribe of Judah. Hold on pan Jesus. Hold on pan God unchangeable Rebo Sata. Shetorabo Saya. What up and God unchangeable and my sister, my brother in Christendom, yeah. Last night me in my bed, me asleep. Running 10 o'clock. I'm lie down and me asleep. And when me asleep, me don't know, me don't remember what me a dream say. But I know so I jump out of my sleep and I start speaking in tongues and I said, they can't get me out there. At the same time, God showed me one something right there, so right there, so I'm tired. I'm tight on my head and I said, they can't get me out. And I said to my husband, I said, what way am I? I said, I'm asleep. He said to me, wife, me hear you speaking at pay tongues in your sleep. Pay tongues, me hear you speaking in your sleep. But me I tell you, say, even when time me asleep, them can't trouble me. Even when time we knock out, shut out about I feel God. Even when time me asleep, them can't trouble me. Even when time me rest up, them can't trouble me. But why me I send out that voice note so oh no, my brother and sister in a Christ, for sure you say God is able. And him now made the enemy triumph over me. This morning me get up and me read Psalm 3. Rebo Sata Shetorobo Saya. One on the ear of voice note on the send it go on a friend and on loved ones. Let them know say God still in the healing vessel Shetorobo Sata. And God now made the enemy triumph over him people. And him now give him food, him bread to dogs. Him a take care of him people. My brother, my sister, hold on upon the liberty. Jesus.